Hello everyone. Isn't it mouth watering and tempting seeing this juicy khaja? Sometimes we buy it from shops, but you just can't go around all the time. But you think that this is a very difficult process to prepare at home. Let me tell you, I'm going to tell you how to prepare this juicy khaja at home itself in a simple way. So first we need a bowl, and in that bowl we need to add all purpose flour. Here I have added 1 full cup of all purpose flour and again a 3/4 cup of all purpose flour. That makes quarterless 2 cups of all purpose flour. Now add ghee which is heated and then add into it 4 tablespoons of ghee. You need to add into it. Add a pinch of salt and add a pinch of baking soda. Ghee should be hot only when you are adding it, and again baking soda you need to add a pinch of it so that your khajas will be crisp. So that is the reason why you need to add hot ghee into it. Now once you are done mixing all the ghee and the baking soda and salt, now add little by little water and make the dough as you make for a chapati. See, do not add more water at a time. Slowly, little by little you add it and just see according to the consistency, and that's it. Here our dough is ready. Now take another bowl and add sugar into it. Here you need to add quarterless 3 cups of sugar into it, and then add 2 cups of water and then place it on the stove. For this preparation for khaja, you need to get a single string consistency. So here see, once you get a bowl, for getting this boil it takes minimum 10 minutes time, that too if you are doing it on a medium flame. See, once you get this single string consistency, switch off the stove, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into it and stop it, and then take a kadai and add oil into it and then heat it nicely. So meanwhile, after 10 minutes, see, our dough is all ready. Now divide it into 2 pieces. Dividing into 2 parts, take the first part and then sprinkle all the all-purpose flour on the floor and then start spreading it nicely. Now this, what you have to get is, you should not do this like chapati, but you need to spread it as possible as you can. But remember, you be careful that you won't tear this. So once you spread it nicely in a thin manner, cut all the edges and make it into a rectangle or a square shape. So see, now our dough is ready. Now again heat the ghee and melt it, and then add the ghee on top of this, and then add all purpose flour and start rolling inside it. You need to roll it nicely so that you do not get any air gaps in between. There should be no folds, extra folds also, so you need to be very careful. Why we add this all purpose flour and also ghee? Because the layers for the khaja, that won't be sticky, so that this oil and this ghee and this all purpose flour separates it nicely. So once you're done, the last part you need to add a little bit of water so that gets sealed on top of it. Now I have done the same process, repeated the same process with the second part of the dough also. I have spread it nicely, applied ghee and again the all purpose flour, and again I have placed this first roll on top of this and then again started rolling it. So once you do like this, you will get the desired size as of the sweet shop. You will get the size of the khaja which we get it in the sweet shop. Now you need to cut it nicely. See, in this size. See, you can observe the layers nicely how we have got over here. Now repeat the process till you're done with the roll. You can observe here nicely. See, the layers are clearly visible, right? This is 75% perfectly done for your yummy khaja. So here, see, you have to press it gently on top of it and then just give a small dab with the rolling pin. That's it. Do not over roll on the slice so that becomes like papad and the khaja won't get fluffier. So remember, just a gentle dab, not pressing harder on the batter. So most important thing over here is I have already told you to heat the oil. Now here I have turned off the flame. I have heated the oil and I have started cooling the oil. Once the oil is slowed down, I mean heat is not much more in that. Once you place this khajas in this, that start floating on top of it. Now this is the time you need to turn on the flame again, and then in a medium flame you need to fry it for almost 10 to 12 minutes because it's on medium flame. Then after 10 to 12 minutes you will get this color, that is golden brown color. See, if you over fry it, you will get flatter khajas, they won't get fluffier. After that you need to dip those khajas in the sugar syrup and then allow them to soak nicely for 45 seconds to 1 minute. That will do good. Then after that your khajas are all ready. All you need to remember is you need to prepare perfect layered roll, and then your sugar syrup that should not get harder, that should be in a one string consistency. So I hope you like this video. Enjoy this sweet, juicy, yummy, layered, crispy khaja. Thank you.